Hello, today I wanted to make a really quick video showing you how to benchmark execution time in Golang. To begin, let's make a main.go file, or wherever you want to benchmark it, just go into that file and go to the top of the function or the code that you want to benchmark. Now go ahead and start by creating a new variable. You can call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it benchmark time, and we're going to set this equal to time.now. And then going down to the next line, this is where you go ahead and run the code you want to measure the execution time. So I'm going to say run code for execution time measurement. And so we're going to go ahead and run a time.sleep, and we'll run it for 1 second. It's fine for now. And then at the end of the code that you want to measure the execution, create a new variable. Let's call it time elapsed. And we're going to set that equal to time.since, and then the original benchmark time variable, like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and print that. I'll make GitHub Copilot, make it pretty. There we go. Let's not do time. Let's just do time elapsed, and we'll go ahead and print that. And then I'm going to go ahead and run this, and we'll see what we get. Should be about 1 second, and there it is, 1.00599.333. So you can see it was pretty quick. This is great for benchmarking times, for example, for database calls, to make sure your queries are efficient, or all sorts of different handlers even, to figure out the execution time of different processes within your application. Now, this is pretty easy to do, but what I made it even easier for you by creating this JSON file. You can find this in a link down below at the GitHub. And so this benchmark this snippet here allows you to create a benchmark really quickly. If you want to see how I made this, I have a whole video in the description about how to make custom VS Code snippets, and I'll leave a link down there. But I'll show you how this works. If I go down here and let's say I get rid of this really quick, I'll comment it out, and then I'll go to the next line and I'll type go bench and press enter, and there we have the variable name set, and then it jumps to the name that you want to say the execution time of, and then it jumps you right into the middle where you can start writing code for your execution. So I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe, and go ahead and check out the GitHub below where I will leave this code, and I will also leave the Go benchmark snippet as well. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.